Good morning guys, I'm Bo. Today I will take you to cook very or make very easy recipe is corn with the salt butter สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้โบจะพามาทำข้าวโพดคลุกเนยนะคะซึ่งเป็นอะไรที่มันง่ายมากไปดูเลยนะคะว่าทำกันยังไงAnd I'm lucky that I plant organic corn in my garden, so I'm go to harvest the corn. You can go to watch in the video. ค่ะก็สำหรับข้าวโพดนี้จะเป็นข้าวโพดออร์แกนิกนะคะเราจะไม่พยายามใช้สารที่มีอันตรายต่อสุขภาพนะคะปลูกเองนะคะก็ไปชมได้เลยนะคะว่าไปเก็บข้าวโพดก่อนมาทำเมนูนี้อย่างไรค่ะI wash the corn and I peel the skin out. I take to boil it. I add some pandan leaf, maybe 4 to 5 leaf to make a more smell good. And I will boil a corn about 20 minutes. After cook the corn, then set in a plate for 5 minutes to cool down. Ingredients: corn that you prepare already, salt, butter, sugar. If you don't want to add, it's okay. I don't want to add, but I just showing. ส่วนวัตถุดิบในการทำนะคะก็จะมีข้าวโพดที่แกะเมล็ดเรียบร้อยแล้วเนยนะคะจะใช้เป็นเนยเค็มน้ำตาลทรายนะคะแต่ว่าถ้าใครที่ไม่ต้องการความหวานก็ไม่ต้องใส่นะคะแต่ถ้าใครที่คิดว่ามันไม่หวานพอก็ให้เติมน้ำตาลได้ค่ะ Are you ready to cook easy dish today? If you ready, let's go. Okay, the corn should be still warm after we prepare corn already and take much butter that you would like to add it. I need to use the hand. Like I told you, if you want more sweet, you can add sugar. I will taste it. It's good, but I will separate if I add sugar. Will be more yummy. But for me, I recommend this one will be more healthy. So you see, it's easy, right? For make the corn with the butter. You can do in your home, and when you know day off, you can enjoy to cook with the kid in the home. This recipe I recommend to do it. Very good. Excuse me. Thank you for keep watching until make corn in salt. No, make corn with salt butter done already. So if you like this video, please give a thumb up, or you can share to your friend how to cook it, and feel free to leave comment below. You have tried this meal before, or you want to do it? And if you are newer here, make sure to press subscriber and bell icon for notification to support my YouTube channel to growing up. We will grow together, and stay safe and be healthy. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy with corn with me. สวัสดีค่ะ